Recently, I've been seeing more and more AI-generated historical videos blowing up across YouTube and social media. Creators are recreating ancient Egypt, ancient Mesopotamia, lost civilizations, and some of these videos are getting millions of views. But making these videos usually means switching between multiple AI tools, writing endless prompts, generating images, animating them, adding narration, finding music, and finally editing everything together. It's a slow and expensive workflow. So today I wanted to see if one AI video agent could actually handle the entire production process. Instead of using 5 different tools, I'm going to create an ancient Mesopotamia documentary using just Flova AI. This is Flova AI. You can access it directly from flova.ai. The first thing you'll notice is that it doesn't feel like a traditional AI generator. Instead, it works more like an AI creative assistant. Right from the main dashboard, you can generate images, videos, music, narration, or complete productions just by chatting with it. You can also upload your own assets if you already have reference images or videos you want to include in your project. Another thing I really like is that everything is available inside one workspace. Instead of paying for multiple subscriptions, Flova integrates many of today's leading AI models in one platform. If you're unsure which model to use, Flova can even recommend or automatically choose the best option depending on your project. One of my favorite features is something called skills. Think of these as ready-made creative workflows. Instead of starting every project from scratch, you can simply choose a workflow based on what you're trying to create. For example, there are skills for documentaries, short films, music videos, product commercials, script-to-video generation, reference-to-video remix, and many more. Professional creators have already built these workflows, so you're essentially borrowing years of experience with a single click. And if you create content regularly, you can even build your own skills and reuse them for future projects. That saves a huge amount of time. Now let's actually create our documentary. For this project, I already prepared a simple one-line prompt about ancient Mesopotamia. I paste it into the chat and let Flova take over. Immediately, it creates a new production workspace dedicated to this project. Instead of instantly generating random content, it first asks a few questions to understand exactly what I want. First, it asks about the documentary length. I choose a medium-length documentary between 2 and 3 minutes. Next, it asks for the aspect ratio. Since I'm creating a YouTube video, I select 16:9. Then it asks about narration and audio style. I choose narration combined with ambient sound design because I want it to feel like a professional historical documentary. Rather than forcing me to write everything manually, Flova guides me through the entire production process like an actual creative assistant. After confirming those settings, Flova asks whether I already have a script or if I'd like it to generate one. I choose to let Flova write the script. A few minutes later, it generates a complete documentary script. The first version contains 6 scenes for a video that's around 2.5 minutes long. Personally, I felt that wasn't enough for a historical documentary. So instead of rewriting everything myself, I simply ask Flova to expand the documentary into around 25 scenes. A few moments later, it completely rebuilds the script with a much more detailed scene structure. This is probably one of my favorite parts. Instead of regenerating everything from scratch, I can simply chat with Flova and tell it exactly what I want changed. Once I'm happy with the script, I ask Flova to generate the storyboard and begin production. It automatically creates the storyboard for every scene before moving into image generation. Then it generates all 25 images that will be used throughout the documentary. Everything stays organized inside the same workspace. So instead of downloading files, renaming folders, and keeping track of dozens of assets manually, Flova manages everything automatically. With the visuals ready, the next step is narration. Instead of opening another AI voice generator, I simply ask Flova to generate the narrator voice. Within a short time, the complete narration is ready. Now it's time to animate the documentary. I ask Flova to convert every image into a cinematic video clip. Most of the scenes are generated successfully. A few fail, which can happen with any AI generation model. But instead of starting over, I simply ask Flova to regenerate only the missing scenes while keeping everything else exactly the same. I even ask it to add 2 extra scenes to improve the pacing. Within minutes, everything is updated. That's something I really appreciate. The workflow stays flexible from beginning to end. Once all the scenes are ready, Flova automatically compiles everything together. It synchronizes the narration, adds the background music, places every scene in the correct order, and creates the complete documentary. If I want to make changes, I can simply use the built-in timeline editor. I can replace clips, rearrange scenes, adjust durations, upload new assets, or regenerate specific sections. And if I want to do more advanced editing, Flova also allows me to export the project to Premiere Pro and continue editing there. Overall, what impressed me the most isn't just the quality of the output, it's the workflow. Normally, creating a project like this means using ChatGPT, an image generator, a video generator, an AI voice tool, background music, and editing software. With Flova, almost everything happens inside one workspace. It helps brainstorm ideas, writes the script, creates storyboards, generates images, animates scenes, creates narration, manages assets, edits the timeline, and even lets you make revisions just by chatting with it. It genuinely feels more like an AI production team than a single AI tool. Anyway, here's the completed Ancient Mesopotamia documentary.
Before the world had a name for itself, there was a place. But between two mighty rivers, something extraordinary was stirring. The ancient Greeks would call it Mesopotamia, the land between two rivers. Today, we know it as the birthplace of civilization itself. Fed by seasonal floods, the soil here was unlike any on Earth. Dark, rich, impossibly fertile in the heart of a desert world. At the heart of every Sumerian city stood the ziggurat, a monumental temple mountain built to bridge the mortal world and the realm of the gods. Centuries passed. Empires rose and fell. And then came Babylon, majestic, powerful, and destined to rule the ancient world. Under King Hammurabi, who ruled from 1792 to 1750 BCE, Mesopotamia was forged into a single empire, bound not just by conquest, but by law. The Code of Hammurabi, one of the world's oldest written legal systems. 282 laws covering commerce, property, family, and justice. An eye for an eye. A debt for a debt. The law, equal for all. Its Ishtar Gate, dedicated to the goddess of love and war, stood as a testament to Babylon's ambition and artistry. Through all of it, through empires and wars and centuries of change, the river endured. And then, perhaps the most extraordinary gift of all, a Sumerian accountant, tracking grain deliveries, pressed a reed into clay, and in doing so, invented writing. We are all in some way children of the land between two rivers.
Honestly, I'm really impressed with how much of the production process happened automatically. If you create documentaries, AI films, YouTube videos, or any kind of visual content, Flova is definitely worth checking out. I've added my link in the description below. New users receive 100 credits immediately after signing up, and after experiencing the workflow, you can unlock an additional 200 credit bonus. You can also explore Flova TV directly inside the platform if you're looking for inspiration or want to see what other creators are building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.